السلام علیکم. آج ہمارے اسکول میں اسپیشل نیڈ بچوں کا ریڈنگ کمپٹیشن ہے جس میں میری کلاس فورتھ کے اسپیشل بچے آپ کے سامنے ریڈنگ کریں گے. اور الحمدللہ میرے پورے سال کی محنت کے بعد یہ بچے اس سال دسمبر میں نارمل بچوں کے ساتھ ایگزام دیں گے اور اب آپ ان کی ریڈنگ دیکھ سکتے ہیں. اوکے سامعین, لیٹس اسٹارٹ.
Was pleased he had waited for a telephone connection for many months and now at last he had one. The engineers arrived in the morning. They fitted a tiny black box in the wall and connected a few cables to a tall pole outside the house. What a lot of noise they made, but Mr. Kamal did not mind. He made the engineers cups of tea and had them when he could.
MashaAllah, very good. Bismillah. Well done. Okay, Sama, start करें.
One night in June, the sun had long been played out by the tree. The little birds are singing among the bushes and trees. The cuckoos and trees, one are the thrushes of the pine that the thrushes.
Well done, Sama. Very good.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After the engineer had gone, Mr. Kamal sat and gazed lovingly at the smart new telephone in the hall. He could hardly wait for his wife and son to get home. Mr. Kamal picked up the phone and put it to ear. Hello, he said. Yes, it's Mr. Kamal. Here.
Okay, well done.
थैंक यू, वेरी गुड, ज़बरदस्त. और इस क्लास में तो बहुत अच्छी रीडिंग दी है और ये है इस क्लास का रिजल्ट. गुड, एक्सीलेंट क्लास.